Ahoy, shipmates. Bit of a land-based activity today. Bit of tractoring on this fine Kubota dual traction 1801DT tractor. I'm not sure, no idea what these things mean. But I'm going to love a vehicle with an 8-speed gearbox, high and low gearbox, knobbly tyres, 4-wheel drive, and plenty of nipples. Of course, when you're at the helm, you know you're at the helm of a simply marvellous vehicle when it's plastered in lots of warning signs. Only do this, preheat that, never change this, engine oil that, warning, injury or death. You know you're in for some good times there. All sorts of controls on this beast, shipmates. This, I think, might be something to do with the bow thruster. This raises and lowers the outboard engine. And then it's a bit like a dual-powered, engine-powered boat. There's got 2 brakes, one for each side. Multiple gearboxes. Some sort of high and low range here. Some sort of PTO gearbox. Looks like you can have a different speed going to your outboard engines than you can to your driving wheels. Something else through a twiddle here. Another leader here, just in case you're getting bored of lack of levers. Little foot throttle, and a bit like a boat. Proper throttle here. Throttle at any time. And again, just like a boat, there's a maximum of 3,000 RPM. Well, I'm going to go off and make some more patterns in the grass. I would say that tractoring is not exactly the fastest activity. Like driving a tugboat, one would imagine. I say lots of gears on this tractor, 8 forward gears. I probably didn't mention there's actually 2 reverse speeds as well. Plus you've got a high and low range and also a high and low range on top of that. So how many does that work out? It's probably 16 speeds forwards and 4 speeds backwards. But when you're busy with the flail mower, unfortunately it's slow and steady wins the day. Because of the load of the flail mower on the back here while cutting this grass, it can't go very fast. You've got to keep a steady speed, keep those lines straight. That's a rather relaxing hobby. You can see here I've got the PTO speed at 540 RPMs, which is exactly what the flail mower requires. Speed this up slightly. In fact, this is sped up 8 times. If we could tractor at this sort of speed, we'd to get the field mode in no time at all. This is just a dream speed for the tractor. And there we go, shipmates. This really is a very land-based activity. Hope you enjoyed a little trip around the field on the Kubota 1801DT. Nothing better than a hard day's tractoring. Well, after splitting some wood, put your wood on the wood burner, take your shoes off, pour yourself a nice rum, and feel satisfied and complete with a day's manual labour on the farm. There's plenty of wood on this little farm. Quite a few trees have fallen down, converted into a lovely big pile. Probably going to have to move back a bit. It's starting to get quite warm, this wood burner. I've often wondered what sort of temperature a wood burner gets up to, so I've got my thermal camera out to have a look. You can see here it's somewhere in the high 300 centigrade. the other advantages of being out in the country is an incredibly clear sky. Don't often see this in the port of Southampton. Too much light pollution. Well, I shall get back to some proper shipping activity soon, shipmates. But till next time.